Hello, this is Michael Pucciarelli, creator of Still Life Photography of Michael Pucciarelli. I gave a webinar once where someone asked me to show them how to create a watermark. I said that I would do that. And in today's webinar, we're going to do that. Just a simple file with one layer. We're going to start with the type tool. Just the T, the type tool. I'm just going to type in testing the watermark. And I'm going to click OK. So I want to edit it. I click on the double T. I suppose I wanted to make some changes. After I make the changes, I'm going to push the question mark. Save the change. I suppose when I make more changes, you just click on the question, the T, the type tool. Because I just wanted another script. Try to pick an interesting script. I'll just use a simple script. And then, if I want to make it bigger, but if I, Control T, just do Control T for transform, I make it bigger, I can make it smaller. And if I wanted to change the color, let's do blue. Blue is a calm color. And you can also, you can experiment with blending modes. You can change the opacity. But I like to just use, black. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an action how to do that. I'm going to go to my Actions tab. I'm going to click out of button mode because when you create an action, you need to get out of button mode. When you first create an action, you need to create an action set. I already did that. My action set is called MFP filters. It's right here, MSP filters. You click anywhere on your actions and now I'm going to click the plus. I'm going to say create a new action. Because I'm already on the MFP filters because I clicked it. But if I wanted to put it in another action set, I'd choose it. But I'm going to just leave it the way it is. I'm going to call this MFP watermark test. Then I'm going to click record. When I go back to my layers, I'm going to click on the T, the type. I'm going to delete everything in there. I'm going to say testing a watermark. I'm going to click check to save the changes. And I want to make this a little more like a signature. So I want to double click on the T. Now I'm going to do more changes. I want to change this to like a script. Change the bold. You could do a lot of this. You could, you do a lot with this. And then I'm going to go to my actions and I'm going to click on this white square. I'm done. Now, suppose I wanted to change the color of this action, this signature, to white. What I would do is this: get out of button mode. Go into button mode. I'm going to create a brand new action because I'm not in my action set. I got to find my actions. It's MSP filters. I'm going to just call it MFP group water test. Click record. Now I'm recording. Now I'm gonna play this action. See, first action of this group action is to play this action. Then I'm going to click over to my layers. I'm going to double click on this. I'm going to make some changes. I'm going to make this not bold. Okay. Now I'm going to go to my actions. I'm going to get out of, I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to switch into button mode. I'm going to delete this action. I'm going to delete this action. I'm going to my actions. I could put it over here, and that's a little too heavy. So I'm going to change this to regular. I'm going to make it a smaller, font. So I'm going to run the other action, the action that calls this action. I'm going to, I could change it. But, I ran an action, but I could change it. I can do Control T. I can make it smaller. I can make it bigger. And I could disable it. Overlay. So, there's many things you can do. Basically, I get an action. This is one action. I call it, all these steps happen. Then I do the group. I come play this, but then I make more changes. Here are the changes. So, if your action is not perfect, like this, and you put it in a group and you call it, then you make more changes. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on how to make a watermark. And if you like more tutorials like this, I invite you to my YouTube channel, Still Life Photography and Michael Pucciarelli, and maybe like or definitely like, or maybe like and subscribe, like and then subscribe. Thank you for listening to this short webinar.